This is Chris, and welcome to Winemaker TV. We're going to have a little tasting today, so stay tuned. Hi, today we'll be tasting a hopped peach cider I made about a month ago. If you want to learn how to make this, there'll be a card coming down. So let's get to tasting. All right, here's what it looks like in the bottle. This is a reusable Corona bottles, and with beer style tops. So you want it, I'll get it next to the mic, see if you can make sure you can hear it go psh, psh. And these are bottle conditioned to get that fizz going. Got you a glass, pour, do a continuous pour, because when you bottle condition, do a continuous pour, because when you bottle condition there'll be a little bit sediment in the bottom, so you want a continuous pour so you don't shake it up, and when you start seeing the sediment come out, that's when you're done. Even though I can start seeing it and I'm done, and I always shake it up to stir up the sediment, so when I rinse the bottles out it'll come out easier. Look how crystal clear and sparkly that is. Ooh. Smell a little bit of apple, but I did use a white wine yeast, so white wine yeast tend to be a little stronger and dry. I like mine dry, but if you like that sweet taste, I would suggest a Nottingham ale yeast or a Safel SO4. So you'll have little, it's not as strong, so it'll leave some of the sugars behind. That is good. It's a lot like a champagne. Look at them fizzes. Just a fizzing. My Falcons cup I made. Well, I'm going to enjoy the rest of this, so hopefully you're enjoying some too. If you want to help support my channel, there'll be links in the description below. Those are Amazon affiliate links. And even if you do not purchase anything in those links, when you go about your average Amazon purchases, I will get a commission off of every purchase you make. So if you want to help support my channel, that's how you do it. So this is Chris with Winemaker TV. That's all there is today.